Hello friends, myself Pranjal Kulkarni. Today I am here to introduce a new series that is Vedic mathematics. Generally we heard the maths in different branches of the maths. We know that is algebra, geometry. These are the branches of the mathematics. We heard about this. But this is the Vedic mathematics. It is based on our Vedas. And Jagadguru Sri Tirthaji Maharaj is the founder of this Vedic mathematics. It is based on 16 sutras. So, let us see what is Vedic mathematics. Now, I am here to introduce about the Vedic mathematics. So, what is Vedic maths? So, it is a collection of techniques or sutras, 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras to solve mathematical or arithmetical in easy and faster way. So, this Vedic mathematics is who can learn the this Vedic mathematics. So, generally the students, those who are above the age of 8 years, they can learn this Vedic mathematics, because students, we know that to learn the maths or to solve the math, we should know at least the basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, the students, those who are above 3rd standard, they can learn the Vedic mathematics, that is to solve the Vedic mathematics or to solve any problem by using the different tricks, or to solve in a faster way. We have this Vedic mathematics, or we can use this Vedic mathematics. Generally, this Vedic mathematics we use in the competitive exams like scholarship, Navodaya, or the different types of engineering exams. You know that in the competitive exams we have generally the objective types based questions. So, that one question, particular question has to be given the time during the 1 minute, or in that period you have to solve the problem. So, if we we know the tricks about the maths, we can go ahead with the fast. So, it is a system of maths which was discovered by Indian mathematician Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. I already told you that the founder of this is the Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji, and he was born in the period between the 1911 AD and 1918. In that particular period, he learned or he introduced the Vedic mathematics. He has studied about the Vedas, different Vedas, and he has found the different sutras related to Vedic mathematics. So, and published his feelings in a Vedic maths book by Tirthaji Maharaj. So, this Tirthaji Maharaj, he has written his own book, that is the name is given that Vedic maths, and the author is the Tirthaji Maharaj. So, what are the advantages of this Vedic mathematics? Let's see that. So, why to learn this Vedic maths, or what are the advantages of this Vedic mathematics? Let's see. So, advantages of Vedic maths. It can definitely solve mathematical numerical calculations in faster way. If you have the interest, or generally if I ask the question to the students, do you like maths? So, generally we get the answer above 50%. Most of the students, they say no. They hate maths. Why? Why they hate maths? Because they don't know how to solve the mathematics problems in a easiest way. So, this Vedic maths, if you learn, you will get slowly the interest in the maths. Those who don't have the interest, they too get the interest in the maths, and even your speed and the brain capacity will develop with this Vedic mathematics. So, some Vedic maths follows mention that using Vedic maths tricks, you can do calculation 10 to 15 times faster than our usual method. See, means generally we take long time. If I have given the simple addition to you, so for example, if I ask you to add 125 plus 289. So, if I ask you to solve the addition, so you have to think first about the place value, from where to start, then you will count on the finger 5 plus 9. So, what is the value of what will come? 9 plus 5? Yes, 14. So, you have to carry 1 and here 4 will come. Then again you have to add this 8 plus 2, that is 10. Then 10 plus again that carry over 1 is 11. So 1 and here again 1. 1 will be carry. Again 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, got it. So it takes generally hardly to me at least 1 or 1.5 minutes to solve this. But if same addition, if you are going to solve with the Vedic mathematics, if you know the trick of the Vedic maths, you can solve within the half minute of this problem, like these problems. Okay, so this will be the advantage to you, and slowly you will learn that. Then next, I agree this to some extent because some methods in Vedic maths are really very fast. Really, when I myself was learning the Vedic mathematics, that time even I too found the difference in me. Before the same problem, how long time I was taking, when I get the tricks in Vedic math, or when I start to use the Vedic mathematics tricks, it takes the shorter time to me. Even my speed of the mathematics is increased. So this is the advantage of the Vedic mathematics. Even they are called this. Even in this Vedic mathematics, we are going to learn the two methods. One will be the specific method, and one will be the general method. So what is the difference between specific method or the general method? In the specific method, we are going to solve some problem, but the problem will be solved to the some particular numbers or the digits. Apart from that, we will not use that. We are not able to use the tricks. Okay, so that is called the specific methods. And what is the general method? In the general method, if you can apply anywhere for general subtraction, addition, multiplication or division. Even in the Vedic maths, there are so many tricks which we can solve by the, generally we are lazy to learn the multiplication tables of the maths. But if you see in the Vedic mathematics, by using the tricks of the Vedic maths, we can form any multiplication table within the few seconds or few minutes or so. So that is the advantage of the Vedic mathematics. If you are interested to learn the Vedic mathematics, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day. Let's meet in the next video.